IVM.
Namaskar, testing the voice. Okay, it sounds good. We are ready for Begin the Journey. How she gets to speak to someone. Just wondering, dear friends, as I begin this journey, how important is it for us to listen to those guiding voices? First, recognize those guiding voices, and then to get, hey, those voices matter. Those voices are there for a purpose. Today I'm going to engage in a short 5-minute conversation to discover what could be possible if we can make available those voices or that voice which inspires us, which guides us. In each of our lives, we are very clear. The challenges are there. Oh yes, they are. And we have a particular way of dealing with the challenges. And we give certain kind of results thanks to our particular kind of way. But what happens when the particular ways that we know do not give the results that we want? What happens thereafter? What happens when everything that we have tried hasn't worked out? What happens then? It is in such moments that I have discovered that when I move into solitude, and rather than thinking through, I hunt for what am I listening to from the universe. Universe has certain names that I like. It could be my father. It could be any person that I may have heard. It could even be a fictional character who at that point just comes out and shares something with me which lights up. Many a times these voices are completely contrarian to where I am at this moment. They tell me things that I have never thought of or would not want to apply. But guess what? I have started recognizing my guide in many forms. I'm very clear that each one of us hears voices, hears people who tell us things which inspire us, which make us bigger than we ever thought that we are, make us bigger than ever thought that we could ever be. Each day in my life, I am clear. I have a choice which voice to hear. And each day, I promise you, amidst everything that I'm dealing with, I do hear some voices which guide me towards greatness that I really want in my life. Today in this conversation on Begin the Journey, I want you and me to explore the possibility of listening to voices which take us beyond the realm where we have thought our life could be about. And those voices need just not be in your mind. They are conversations that you hear, people that you visit, and snippets that you pick up for yourself so that you can apply in your life. Voices are happening all around us. The only thing that you and I need to do is to choose which voice to apply in our life. Aren't there voices that you hear? People who speak things. Sometimes I've heard people speaking not to me, to someone else, and I've gotten something out of it. I recall a time that I was, I was eating a lot and I was also enjoying my drink. And then guess what? I heard a person who had a drink in his hand and was going for the next biryani, and he told me, "Hey Ashish, you're eating a lot, huh? And drinking also." Here was a person who was himself drinking and going for his next big meal. But when he told me, I heard him. I said, aha, somebody's pointing out something interesting for me. I made some shifts in my life. Dear friends, how will it be if we can get that our guide need not be following what that guide is speaking, but can you be guided by that powerful voice? As we begin the journey each day, each afternoon, is it possible for you and me to go through everything in life, not just doing what we are committed to, but also being guided by life? In moments of solitude, when I say that, I mean moments in which you can identify those unique voices. Because there will be voices which will also say things to you which are nay, which will make you feel reduced from what you really are. And therefore, the power of choice. The power of choosing whom you choose to be guided by. Today, I'm going to engage in a conversation with you as you and I wherever you are, wherever I am, start looking at this day onwards as a day in which I choose to listen to those voices, and I choose which of those voices I will allow to guide me. Because I'm very clear, your and my life is amazing. How will it be if we can allow those voices to guide us? Guide us ahead, move ahead, and create those wonderful things which probably even I can't see, you can't see. As I continue this conversation with you, I want you to pause a moment and think, what is that thing that you have told yourself which is much bigger than you can be? Choose powerfully, my friend. Choose the direction that you want your life to go. And I promise you, you shall find guides that guide you in the direction that you choose, because this universe truly conspires to fill us with guides that we want. The only choice that we want to exercise is, where do you want to go? You want to go to Gujarat, you will find the guides for Gujarat. You want to go to Arunachal, you will find the guides for Arunachal. You want to become an engineer and be a happy person, you will find a guide for that. You want something which you say, oh, forget it, life is not worth it. I promise you, you will find guides for that. Which direction do you wish to go, my friend? Choose. And then you will hear guides. You will hear guides, I promise you. At this point, at Begin the Journey, I want you to leave with this thought. What do you choose to do? What do you want your journey to be about? And then start listening. Start listening hard. And today, I want you to share. Want you to share what is opening up for you when you can begin the journey each day with this thought. Are we ready for this conversation? All right. So let's have this conversation. Al-Shukran Bandhu, Al-Shukran Zindagi. Thank you for joining me on Begin the Journey.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Would like to thank the sponsors on the network this week, Cred, Siet, and Global Victoria. Thank you so much for making this possible. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus is joined by the hilarious and extremely charming illusionist and therapist Suhani Shah. They talk about different aspects of magic like sleight of hand, mind reading, mentalism, and more. The Habit Coach completed 500 episodes, 500, and Ashton has a special message for us on the occasion. Do check that out. We had Lekini Desai, founder of the India Ethnic Company, talk to Varun Digirala about their story and the Hatke marketing idea that made them popular. On Naan Curry, South of Arunachal celebrated World Chocolate Day. They took us through the origins, history, economics of chocolate, and shared their memories. On Tere Mere Raste, Keshav Chaturvedi shares an interesting story from Leh. Check out an updated version of the Traveling Professor's Diary. It's now rechristened as Smarter with Sid. Same old brain filled with news stories and insights. This time, listen to know why you should keep things simple. And finally, check out Global Victoria Tech Talks. This one is in partnership with Global Victoria, the trade arm of the Government of Victoria and Australia. The edtech and gaming industries are booming in Victoria, Australia, and this series is meant to showcase that. And with that, I hope to see you again next week.
We live in an age of disruption, of immense change in every aspect of work, life, and business. But is the old way of doing things truly dead? And are we ever going to stop saying the new normal? Join me, Varun Digirala, on Advertising is Dead every Tuesday as I talk to entrepreneurs, leaders, creators, and change makers from across business, media, marketing, and beyond to dig a little deeper into how we got here, what we're doing now, and where we're headed. You can catch all the episodes of Advertising is Dead on the IVM Podcast website, app, or wherever you get your podcast from.